Most welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'm going to do another live trading session with IK Option platform. And in today's video, I'm going to use few graphical tools, and I'm going to use dynamic support and resistance, and I'm going to use support and resistance, and sometimes I might use Fibonacci again. And then my target is to earn few dollars, and let's see how it goes. And here I have open up Euro USD, and let me open up few more pairs, Euro GPY, and also Euro CAD. Yes, GBP New Zealand dollars. And now I'm going to close all the graphical tool indicators that I have opened up previously, and I'll open up again. Okay, Euro Japan. I think this is quite good trading pair, and let's use moving average. Default values. Okay, interesting. And in graphical tools, I'm using trend lines. Yes, trending lines. And I'll draw Fibonacci also. So I'm using Fibonacci and dynamic support and resistance. I use trend line. Using that, I can find out a dynamic support and resistance, as you can see. So here, here, you can see support. And using Fibonacci lines also, you can get support. And in this situation, I can see this line in Fibonacci line 38.2. It is acting as an resistance, so that's why in this point and as well as this point, it is just like a resistance. So we will wait for that movement and we will put in that situation. But still it's too late, and we'll go for another Euro USD. This pair, I think this is also quite good pair, but I don't see any good moment for trading, so we'll move with Canadian dollars, Euro Canadian dollars. Yeah, this is quite good. And let me draw support and resistance Fibonacci lines. Yes, this line is quite resistance, and this one is resistance. Let's wait for this movement, and I believe that point 61.8 point, which line, that line will be acting as a support. And the return is 82%, but that is not much good decent amount. but it's okay. Okay, this pair also kind of sideway, which means I don't see any uptrend or downtrend, significant uptrend or downtrend, but it's overall, yes, I don't see much. Let me drop Fibonacci. It seems like it's quite the volatility is there, so I don't think this pair is good for trading, and we'll skip this pair for the time being. And I'm keeping my eye on this euro Canadian dollars, and we'll wait for some time till this 30. I think it's time. It is actually, I think it's a resistance. So maybe we can call. Maybe we can call. We'll wait some time. Yeah, I did a trade, and it should go up. Yes, it's going up. We'll see. I have 20 second more. I took a risk, but we'll see. Yeah, it's ITM. But it seems like that is not a very good trading point, even though I won it because it's going down, and I actually did a mistake even though I won that trade. I'll explain why I did a mistake and how I did a mistake. See, this is resistance, and after that there's a huge red candle, and that means downtrend started, and again downtrend, and after that only two red candles are there. It's almost a downtrend, and I call it, and I trade against the trend. So that is the mistake I did. But anyway, I won it. ITM. The support is breaking now. Maybe it's a breakthrough, or well, I think it's going down. Its support is breaking, and this is not a good time to do any trade in this pair. Let me switch to Euro JPY, and it's pretty decent though in this. Yeah, this is good. And let me draw a trend line also. Yes, yes. Yeah. In trading, in my experience, it's not a magic, and don't overthink, and also don't keep your trust on your strategies, and don't think you will always win your trade by just following your strategy, and don't overtrust it. But one thing, you have to be really, really, really good at money management. That is the most important thing. I could be my experience. That is the most important thing you should follow when you are doing trading. Money management is a must. Even though you lose your trade, that's okay. But if you fail to manage your money in proper way, you will definitely blow up your account and everything will be dust. Will this should be a support? Yeah, that is a support actually. That's why it's going up. But it is not a good point anyway. See, I think this point should be a support anyway, and I have seen it most of the time, but it is not the exact same point. Here it is that support has been broken up. I think next candle will be green candle, but as I can see, the the trend is down, so I don't like to trade against the trend. It should go up, yes, I think it should go up, but I am not sure about this trade. We'll see. Yeah, there's a huge uptrend. Actually, this is a good support level, so that's why it's happening. Here and here and here, in each and every candle you can see once it reached to this point, this level, it has gone up. In it's same happening here, but I didn't want to get any risk because there was a slight downtrend, but actually I could have done that trade, and I'm going to put now. Yes, I'm going to put now. I was a bit late actually for that trade. I was late, and the way I thought wasn't correct. We'll wait. We have some time, but I'm not pretty much sure about my trade. I'm going to put now. I was. You should go a bit up. I did. I put my trade like, since this is a good resistance, but we'll see. I believe this candle should be a, yeah, and next candle also must be a red candle. Yes, it must be a red candle. And after that, you will see few red candles. I think we don't have a trade in this pair in this moment, and let's move to another trading pair. Okay, this Euro USD, I don't prefer this pair now because I don't see any trading point. Okay, this is quite good. Let's wait for some time. If we touch this line, definitely I will call. Okay, okay, okay. Will actually I was late and we'll see. I late actually, but there was a quite volatility and I couldn't get a proper point when I do trading. Most of the time, people think that IQ option platform will manipulate our trade, but that is the that is what normally happening. We cannot uh, put our trade exactly where we want because of the volatility. That is actually we cannot say it's something wrong with IQ option platform. That it may be because of our internet connection and as well as uh, the many reasons. And this pair also is not good because of the volatility. It's highly changing. As you can see, its movement is not smooth, and yeah, this is not a good pair. This is really not a good pair, as you can see. Yeah, it's not a good pair at all. Think we can try here and yes, here. It should go down. It should go down. It should go down. But I was late. No, 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 now it's too late. We cannot trade in this pair also, but this pair is Euro JPY is quite good. Actually, we shouldn't close it, and I'm closing. And this is a good pair. I am closing the GBP New Zealand dollars because of high volatility. AUD CAD must be good. Let me close up and let's draw Fibonacci lines here. Normally when I'm drawing Fibonacci lines, I'm not going that deeper. Resistance, clearly this is a resistance and I don't see any good trade close by. Look at USD CHF. Let's see. There's a good downtrend here. It's been going downtrend for few hours, around 3 hours. And this is not actually good movement. I mean, this is not a good pair to do any trading. Euro GPY, it's been a good trading pair for quite some time, but I think it is not anymore because it's trying to break its support according to resistance, and according to my experience, it could find kind of uptrend. and it might go with this dynamic support. So this one also not good. I think this Euro Canadian dollar still good, and I can see there is a good support level here, and 1 minute is not good in this situation, but I think 5 minutes would be good, but I'm not going to do any 5 minute trading. Yeah, but let's see. We'll find something else. How about New Zealand dollars versus USD? No, I don't think it's good. USD dollars, Japan, yen. This is a support, but still it's going down, and I don't think it's good for trading. Okay, I think I can do some trade here in Euro Japan. Moving average is going to be touched. I think next candle would be a red candle, but since we are in the middle of these levels, we cannot predict in that way. But if we touch here, I'll go for put, which means lower. We'll wait some time. I don't think we can do it in this next candle, but I don't see any good trading point, and I think it's time to wrap up our session. I think we won some trades, but we lost only one trade. And let's wrap up our trading. Let's call it a day, and we'll meet up with another session later. See you till then. Bye bye. And